गाइस तो नया दिन नया चैलेंज है और आज मैं स्ट्रीट पे किसी स्ट्रेंजर को एक विंग कंपटीशन के लिए इनवाइट करना चाह रहा हूँ और देखता हूँ कौन हाँ करता है। बहुत रिजेक्शंस मिलेंगे बट देखते हैं। गाइस ठंड बहुत हो चुकी है और मैं लोगों से पूछ के थक चुका हूँ। तो अभी मैंने काफ़ी कम से कम 10 लोगों से तो मैंने पूछा है बट काफ़ी ठंड हो रही है। बट आज जो ठान लिया है वो करके तो रह नहीं है। आज किसी के साथ विंग्स तो खाए जाएंगे, पक्की बात है। फिर से I have a YouTube channel, so I'm doing like a food challenge today. So I'm trying to meet a stranger and I asked them for like a wing competition. So just want to ask you, did you have dinner today?
No.
No. So would you be kind enough to like just join me for a wing challenge? It's going to be all paid for. It's for my YouTube channel, and like I was really nervous to actually go ask strangers. Just going to like a wing place and they have like half offs today, so we're just gonna go have some wings and we're gonna see who wins the challenge, and it's gonna be like a fun experience. There's
okay,
nothing.
Sure.
Yeah.
What? Really?
You
okay.
sure?
Like, yeah.
Yeah. It's all paid for. You don't have to pay any money, anything at all. So
okay.
it's all good.
Sure.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you find someone. Yeah.
How long are you guys doing this? What is?
So we were going to this place called Wild Wing. So we just found out that they have half offs today. So we're gonna try out some wings.
Okay, great.
Okay, let's go. After you. Thanks. Hi guys, so this is a new video. I'm doing a food challenge tonight, and then the whole idea of this challenge is to actually meet a stranger. And so I met a stranger today and I'm here with my new friend Clover. We just had to do this wings challenge, so I'm just gonna have Clover introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Clover. I was born and raised in Toronto, and they approached me asking, have you had dinner yet? And I said, what? And they said, yeah, I know. And then they continued to explain themselves, and I'm very happy to be here. This is very exciting.
So you think you're gonna beat me tonight?
Oh, completely. Like, I'm very competitive.
You're gonna destroy me?
I would say so.
The challenge tonight is that both of us have 8 wings each. So I have the barbecue wings and she has the butter chicken wings. So the plan is to have the highest amount of wings in 2 minutes, or whoever has the highest amount of wings in 2 minutes, yeah. Or whoever finishes, sorry. So that's the whole challenge. So we're gonna get it started. Are you ready, Clover?
I'm ready.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
And let's get it started. We have 8 wings each. So mine is barbecue and hers is honey butter chicken. So we're gonna have 8 wings each, and then if any one of us finishes our 8 wings, then we have extra wings here as well. And that one is, I think that's honey sweet escape, so it's sweet and sour. So what are we waiting for? Let's get the challenge started.
What time is still on? Where'd it go?
तो सही है गाइस, होपफुली आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। मेरे लिए भी काफ़ी लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस था ऐसे स्ट्रेंजर से पूछना जाके कंपटीशन के बारे में। कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर जाके मैंने ये काम किया, काफ़ी सीखा मैंने इस वीडियो में। ऐसी और वीडियोस में लेके आऊँगा, होपफुली आप लोगों को और मज़ा आएगा। और आप ऐसे ही अपना सपोर्ट देते रहिए, लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए इस वीडियो को, और मैं आगे और वीडियोज़ ऐसे लेके आऊँगा। थैंक यू।